Hi everyone, Sutipong again. Today I'm gonna show you how to display the list of the login user on the display in GrabWorks and WebHMI client at runtime. Because if you would like to showing the list of the login user, you need to open the login dialog and go to the advanced button here. And you can see the user that log in into the system. And if you would like to showing this in the display of the client, for example in GrabWorks and WebHMI at runtime, I have created a template for you by using the BI Analytics data flow to getting data from the GenEvent server, GenEvent logger. Then first of all, you need to configure the alarm logger to getting the data from the GenEvent server. Add the alarm and notification and at the alarm historian, please make sure that you have configured the logger here. This is the default. Default is where we have the subscription, the GenEvent subscription, and the logger here, GenEvent logger, to logging data from the GenEvent and start the logger. And after that, when the user log in, it will display and logging the data into the GenEvent logger. And we get this data into the BI server under Analytics, BI server and data flow. I have created data flow here, GenEvent, and getting data from the GenEvent server and historical alarm. You can download this template under video description. I have used the parameter start and end. That start going back to 2 days and the end is now. And we're getting data, the time and the message. This is the default. We need to add the GenEvent server here, and I have adding the GenEvent server for you here. We getting the message and filter only the event that relate to the login and logout, and the username and the time. Query into the data model, the same name, GenEvent, under the data model. I have created a folder me. You need to create the folder before import the configuration into it by right-click on the folder that you have created. Or you can change the refer link. For example, here at the GenEvent, I have the table T1, and the T1 is referred to the GenEvent data flow under folder me. Then if you change the folder name, you need to browse or change it. I have created the table and the data view. And the data view, that is the query text we use in the BI server. This like or similar to the SQL query, but not the same, not 100% matching. I use the max case and having to getting the current user that have logged in into the system, and we can test it. There is only one user logging into the system, and I using this view in the GrabWorks here. I can upload this example for you as well. In the GridWorks, refer to the data view that I have created here. And that's all. It will show you the list of the login user, current user. For example, if I have login another user and login, and we need to waiting for 1 minute maximum. And now you can see current login user. Thank you for watching.